Hi all, I am Prakash Gujalkar from CCS National Institute of Agriculture Marketing Jaipur. Today I am sharing my experience which I learned from the course Quantitative Techniques of Agribusiness. The concepts which I learned from this course are correlation, correlation coefficient, regression, multiple linear regression, covariance, type 1 error and type 2 error, input output model, game theory, and last one is saddle point. Firstly, correlation. It is a statistical measure that indicates the extent to which two or more variables fluctuate together. A positive correlation indicates the extent to which those variables increase or decrease in parallel. A negative correlation indicates the extent to which one variable increases as the other decreases. The next concept is correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient is a statistical measure of the degree to which changes to the value of one variable predicts changes to the value of another. Then applications of correlation. Correlation is used to extract second order statistics from any random signal. Cross correlation and autocorrelations are commonly used for measuring the similarity of signals, especially for pattern recognition and for signal detection. Correlation is used for analyzing factual patterns. The next concept is regression. In statistical modeling, regression analysis is a statistical process for estimating the relationship among variables. Regression analysis is used in the field of econometrics, which is concerned with the application of statistical and mathematical methods to the analysis of economic data. One useful applications are also found in finance, sociology, psychology and pharmacology. Then multiple linear regression. Multiple linear regression is the analysis with more than one independent variable. It is used to quantify the influence of two or more independent variable on a dependent variable. Covariance. Covariance is a measure of how changes in one variable are associated with changes in a second variable. Especially, covariance measures the degree to which two variables are linearly associated. The next one is input output model. Input output model, it is used to predict changes in overall economic activity, results of some changes in the local economy. And the next one is zero sum game theory. Zero sum game is the situation in which each participant is gain or loss of utility is exactly balanced by the loss or gain of the utility of the other participants. Then comes the characteristics of game theory. There must be two players each with a finite set of strategies. Zero sum implies that the losses of one player is exact gain of the other. Then other one is bargaining is not allowed in zero sum game theory. There could be no agreement that could be mutually advantageous. Then comes the type 1 error and type 2 error. Type 1 error. A type 1 error is when statistics calls for the rejection of a null hypothesis which is factually true. A type 1 error is called false positive. In type 2 error. A type 2 error is when a statistics does not give enough evidence to reject a null hypothesis even when the null hypothesis should factually be rejected. Then a type 2 error is a false negative. Then comes the saddle point. It is the maximum value equals to the minimum maximum value. Then the game is said to have a saddle point and corresponding strategies are called optimal strategies. The amount of payoff at an equilibrium point is known as the value of the game. A game may have more than one saddle point or no saddle point. Thank you.